We guide you through how to add your card to Apple Wallet so you can use Apple Pay on your iPhone in just a few quick steps. Start by opening the wallet app, then tap the plus button in the top right corner. Choose debit or credit card, then tap continue. You can either scan your card using your iPhone's camera or tap enter card details manually to type in your name, card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the info, tap next, and your bank or card provider will begin the verification process. They may send you a text code, an email code, or ask you to verify through your banking app. Just follow the instructions shown. Once your card is verified, tap done, and it will appear in your Apple Wallet ready to use for Apple Pay. You can now double click the side button at the checkout pay instantly with your iPhone.